Hello everyone, Farhan here. We're Mercedes-Benz of Raleigh, and welcome to another episode of Coffee Talk. So today we'll talk about one of the features that you may or may not know is in your Mercedes, the window convenience open and closing. Did it ever happen to you that you left your car and you left the window open? Probably yes. So one of the way with the smart key of Mercedes, you can actually press and hold the lock button and it will close all the windows on your actual Mercedes. Or the other way around, if it's a really hot day out there, you can actually press and hold the unlock button to depressurize the cabin. So for example, if the car is actually parked outside and it's really hot, you want to get in a car that doesn't have a hot air in it. So what you just want to do is press and hold the unlock button and it will drop down all your windows, and if you have a sunroof, it will open the sunroof as well. And it also works with the keyless go. And an easy way to do it is using the door handle, and I'll show you how that works. So here's one way to use the window convenience open and closing. Very simple. You press and hold the unlock button and you will see all the windows rolling down and the sunroof opening if you have a sunroof on your vehicle. So now if your vehicle is equipped with keyless go, you can actually either press and hold the button the same way you did with a vehicle without keyless go, or you can actually press the little magnet on the door handle that you lock the vehicle and hold it. And you will see the window will close, and if your vehicle is equipped with the sunroof, it will close the sunroof as well. Thank you for joining me on this Mercedes-Benz of Raleigh Coffee Talk, and we will see you next time.